Hey stock and options traders, welcome back to the channel where your success is my top priority. If you don't already know, my name is Karl Domm and I'm the only instructor on YouTube that has shared my P&L with a daily balance since August of 2019, which includes every market environment, a bull, sideways, grind down, and crash market. No one else has shared their real P&L on YouTube in all market environments. In this video, I'll be taking you on a journey through my trading accounts, showcasing my actual P&L or net liquidation for the month of May 2024. For over 30 years, I've been mastering the art of online stock and options trading, and now I want to share my expertise with you. If you're here to learn and want to determine the worth of a stock or options course, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. My goal is to revolutionize this industry and bring transparency to the forefront. I believe that if an instructor makes promises when selling a course, they should prove their credibility by sharing their account P&L. And so far, I believe I've influenced a few others to share their P&L. Not only that, but share the volatility of their account's P&L. It's important to understand how much the account fluctuates. So what that means is, how much did the account move up or down? If your account made a 20% return, but it was down 60% at one point, then the 20% return is not a good return on risk. Sharing the P&L volatility is important because the real truth lies in risk-adjusted returns. And that's why I share my P&L and my daily moves of my account so you can see the real results for yourself. Now, I wouldn't buy a course from someone who doesn't share their P&L, and I hope you feel the same way. And that's why I'm proud to say that in this video, next I'll be taking you through my real P&L for the month of May 2024. So let's get started. Are you ready for some real trading results? I've got 4 separate trading accounts and I'm eager to share the results with you. But before we dive into the numbers, let's take a quick look at what the market did in May of 2024. And this will give us a better understanding of the challenges my systems faced over the last month. Now, as a premium selling options trader, I categorize market moves into 4 types: the rising bull, the sideways market, the grind down market, and the crash market. And there's a lot of traders out there that don't take all 4 market types into account with their trade plans. Okay, looking at the market for May 2024, you can see it's represented by the S&P 500. I'm using SPX, and you can see at the end of the month, last month was the 30th, and it ended here. The market was pretty much a bull market here. You can see that it was up over 6%, and then it ended up about 4.76%. Pretty bullish here. Did quite well, and then last few days we've come down. Yeah, let's see what the volatility did, what the VIX did during this time frame. So here at the end of the month, so the VIX was around 15.5-ish, went all the way down to in the 11.5. That's very low, and then ended here at around 13. So the volatility was down. So the price of options in general were down. So if you were to sell some options here or here, you probably did quite well through the month of May. And then if we go back and look at the overall market here, you can see that we were definitely in a bull market. So we had that combination of a bull market and we had the volatility go down, which is typical for a bull market. So definitely May 2024 was a bull market. Now last month in April, the market grinded down. We had a grind down, and overall April saw a drawdown as high as 5.7%, and it ended down 4.15%. Now this was the first pullback over 2% since October of 2023. And this month in May, the market looked to recover as it was up over 6% at one point, and it settled up around 4.9%. So May 2024 was definitely a bull market. For traditional premium sellers or level 4 traders, this was most likely a good month as volatility, or the VIX, dropped from around 16 to around 13. And the level 4 traders that trade simple structures like the wheel should have seen some nice returns as the market rose and volatility fell. Now, the more sophisticated level 4 traders with the more complex non-hedged trade structures that sold premium most likely also had a good month. Both of these level 4 traders will do well in the bull and sideways market, but the grind down in the crash markets can hurt them a lot. So if you believe the market will not ever crash or grind down again, then level 4 trading is for you. If you believe, as I do, that the market will eventually crash at some point or grind down at some point, then it would pay to be a level 5 trader when the crash or grind down arrives. And this will help you avoid a 25% or even 40 or even a 50% drawdown on your account. Now, the truth is the market's direction is unpredictable and it can go up or down or sideways. And that's why it's a good idea to have a non-directional system in your portfolio so you can eventually be profitable no matter which way the market moves. Welcome to the world of level 5 trading, where the rules are set in stone and profitability is proven. My proprietary trading systems are designed to make money no matter what the market environment, and they are the only ones of their kind. With a focus on level 5 trading, you can bypass all the lower levels, levels 1 through 4, and go straight to the top level without having to spend years learning and mastering lower level systems. But don't just take my word for it. I've taken over 30 online stock and options courses from YouTube instructors, and not one of them offered level 5 trading systems. In fact, I've yet to see proof that a level 1 through 4 system is consistently profitable in all 4 market environments. So if you're looking for the real deal, you've come to the right place. So join me in this journey and witness the power of level 5 trading for yourself. And if you come across any other instructors who share their P&L, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for instructors with real results and real portfolio P&L being shown. And I'm not talking about just spreadsheets. So if you're ready to see my real P&L for May of 2024, let's dive in here. Next, I will get into my 4 separate trading accounts. I trade 4 accounts to demonstrate that this is possible for anyone, no matter your account size, which is to safely outperform the market if you employ 100% mechanical, black and white, non-directional strategies. When I reference safely, I do need to clarify, I do have one higher risk strategy, which is the earnings edge. The first account I trade here on YouTube and show my results is my account that I started with in January 2024 with $300,000, and it's where I employ portfolio margin. My goal with this account is to control drawdowns at all costs and safely protect and grow my capital. And in this account, I'm currently trading the PL5, plus I've added a new trade to my arsenal called the duck strategy. And I'm planning on launching a masterclass on exactly how I deploy my capital in this account, which will include the details on the PL5 and details on the new duck trade. And I plan on doing this pretty soon. To get on the waiting list to see the Premier Level 5 duck combo portfolio that I trade and to learn all about it, make sure that you hit the link in the description. Now, since I started deploying my latest trade plan in March of 2024, when the account balance was $298,195, and at the end of February, the account is currently up 2.56% in the last 3-month period. Now, let me get to the P&L. So here's the P&L for the month of May for my larger account. Okay, let's take a look at my larger account. You can see here that I'm showing Thinkorswim, because Schwab does not have any available. They started doing things, I think, on May 14th. So I only have record from May 14th to the end of the month. So I'm going to do it this way this month. Next month, I'll show the Schwab account. This is my large account right now. I started this account last month with 303,645. And now it has 305,833. Right, so let's do a little bit of math. That's my net liquidation on my larger account. So we have 305,833, 305,833, and we started this month with 303,645. made 2,188. Let's divide that by 303,645. 645. And the account was up almost 1%, about 0.7%. The second account I trade is the account I started with $30,000. This account employs span margin as opposed to portfolio margin, and I trade the account primarily for demonstration purposes to showcase that my Premier Level 5 strategy is possible even if you don't have $100,000 plus in capital. The Premier Level 5 strategy has been back-tested to roughly make 2 times the market returns with about 1/3 the account volatility. After designing various systems for over 30 years now, a few years back I developed this system in 2022 as the culmination of my efforts. So here is the Premier Level 5 results for May of 2024. Okay, let's take a look at my Premier Level 5 account. This account started with $34,462 at the beginning of the month, and you can see now it's $34,045. I'm using IB. I'll hit the refresh button. I don't show the whole thing because it'll show my account number, but so it's 34,045. So let's do a little bit of math on this. 34,045 minus 34,462, so down $417, and with the market up over 4 to 5%. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Let's divide that out. 34,462, and so I'm down around 1.2% for the Premier Level 5 for May of 2024. The Premier Level 5 system is designed to capitalize on all market types, and looking back since I started trading it live, showing my account with 100% transparency on a monthly results since April 8th of 2022, the Premier Level 5 is up approximately 13.48%, and this includes paying all commissions, and it has had an approximate max drawdown of only around 5%, while the S&P 500 is up 29%, with a max drawdown of around minus 13.58%. So the PL5 is currently underperforming nominally, but still with superior risk-adjusted returns because the drawdowns are only about 1/3 of the S&P 500. Remember, outperformance isn't just about achieving higher percentage of returns, it's about considering the amount of risk you're taking. Any expert in the field will emphasize the importance of risk-adjusted returns. To unlock the secrets to the Premier Level 5 trade system, I offer the Premier Level 5 Masterclass where I teach every detail until my students can trade it on their own. Now at the moment, this program is not accepting any new participants. However, you can subscribe to my email list to receive early bird notifications about when the waiting list will open. This will give you a chance to secure your spot and qualify for learning about this system, as I am limited in the amount of students I can teach. And to find out more information, use the link in the description. Now next is the safe wheel strategy. This is a strategy I give away for free every Monday morning at 7:15 a.m. Pacific time. I do a live stream and I trade the account live right in front of you. I also answer any and all questions about the system in order to help other people learn how it works. The easiest way to find the live stream is to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now here are the results for the safe wheel for May of 2024. Okay, here's my account for the safe wheel for May of 2024. What was the net lick here? Just go to the net lick. 6,487. I had 6,502 at the end of last month. So we ended with 6,485 and we started with 6,502. So pretty much break even, down $17. Let's divide that out. Divided by 6,502. And down not even 0.2%. Basically a break even month for the safe wheel for May of 2024. Finally, I trade my earnings edge system. This system is based on trading certain stocks coming into earnings. The goal is to turn a small account into a large account. And this system has some volatility, so I would start small with like $5,000. And what I like about this trade structure is that it is long gamma, which creates asymmetry. And in this case, asymmetry is kind of like hoping for a large move in the stock, either up or down. And the more it moves, the more profitable the trade becomes. In May, with the earnings edge, I made 3 trades. I traded Baidu, and I made $336. I traded NVIDIA, NVDA, and I made $591. And I traded Costco, COST, and I made $418. So I had 3 trades and 3 wins this month. And I started this account with $5,000, and I look to make 1 trade a week when earnings trades are available. So my goal is to make large profits with smaller risks. Since my trade system upgrade in October of 2022, the results are a record of 27 wins, 19 losses, and 8 break-evens. So that's a win rate of around 59%, with the average win of $732 and the average loss of minus $540. So my wins are higher than my losses, and my win rate is higher than 50%. So since inception in January 2022, my results are approximately that the account is up 133%, and this includes paying all commissions. So here are the results for the Earnings Edge account for May of 2024. Okay, here's my account for the Earnings Edge for May of 2024. You can see here net lick 11,675. So I'll do a little bit of math on that. 11,675 minus, what did I start with in the beginning of the month? 10,357. So I made $1,318. That's a pretty good month for a $10,000 account. Let's divide that out. 10,357. That's what I started with. So for the Earnings Edge, up 12.73%. So up almost 13% for the Earnings Edge for May of 2024. You can see here. See a link in the description to find out more about each strategy. For those with a smaller account, I offer 2 options. The Safe Wheel, which you can follow for free or get the Fast Track course, or the Earnings Edge system, which is designed with some risk and high reward. If you're interested in learning how I trade options and aspire to eventually upgrade to the Premier Level 5 system and learn my new duck trade, there's more information by clicking the link in the description. Check the link in the description for more information on the Premier Level 5/duck combo, the Earnings Edge, and the Safe Wheel.